It's going to be fun.
It is recognized that you have a funny sense of fun.
Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we're following the larger-than-life story of Lawrence of Arabia. We're following T.E. Lawrence as we go to find Feisal's fajitas and get a ranch water to my people.
Come on, then!
Want to make this the easiest family dinner you've ever hosted? Well, now, with Easybins, it is. Easybins is a convenient and easy way for you to get all of your groceries delivered straight to your door. They've got this recipe and hundreds more on their website. And use the code Griffith5 in order to get $5 off your next Easybins order.
And what are you teaching him today?
As we always do, let's start with a cocktail. Today, we're gonna do a ranch water to my people 2 ways. First off, you're gonna add just a handful of ice into your glass, and then you're gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. You're gonna do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then top that off with a little bit of Topo-chico sparkling water. And then you can just garnish that with a lime wheel.
I've only just begun to teach him.
Now, the second way that you can do this is pop off the top of your Topo-chico, take a big sip, and then you're going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila. You can drop in about 1 ounce of lime juice. Save it, spin it, and then just garnish it with a lime wedge, and you're good to go.
The Turks pay me a golden treasure, yet I am poor, because I am a river to my people.
Now that we've got our ranch waters to our people, we're gonna start on Feisal's fajitas. We've got our spices. We've got 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. And we're just gonna go ahead and add all of those spices to our bowl here. We're gonna add in about 2 to 3 ounces of olive oil here. And then we're just gonna slice up our chicken and add it in here so it can begin to marinate. We've allowed our chicken to marinate for just a little bit as we've let our pan heat up. We're gonna go ahead and add that chicken and all the spices to the pan. As we let this cook, we want it to cook almost completely done because we're gonna take it off, cook our veggies, and then add it back in to warm up. Our chicken's almost done cooking, but here's a tip. As you're cooking, you might start seeing a little bit of brown spots or some of your seasoning sticking to the bottom. One easy way to get that to stop, just add a little bit of tequila and it'll pull up all of that good flavor from the bottom. Our chicken's done, so we're gonna let that set over there for just a second. And now we're gonna add 1.5 yellow onions. We're gonna allow our onions to brown up before we add our peppers, just because we don't want our peppers to get too soggy or overcooked. Our onions have started to get some good color on them. They're not done quite yet, but now is the time that you should add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're just gonna let all of that get to know each other for just a minute or two, and then we'll add back in our chicken, and then we'll add in our peppers. All right, we just added our chicken back into the pan. We're gonna let all of this continue to get to know each other. I just added in our 3 diced bell peppers. And the reason we're doing diced is I'm sure that everybody has had the instance where you've been eating fajitas and the whole string of onion or the whole string of bell pepper has come out. This way, you can get everything in one bite. My favorite thing about fajitas is that they are absolutely customizable to what you want. I've got a fajita salad here, and I've got 2 different types of fajitas, one with sour cream and a little cilantro, one with a little bit of cheese, and some avocado salsa. And now, you're ready for family dinner.
It is my pleasure that you dine with me.
If you want to know how to cook great food and make great cocktails, hit us up with a like and subscribe, and click that bell if you want to be invited to the next family dinner. You're going to open up one Topo-chico. All right. And in the meantime, I'm going to add our three diced, while everything's getting to know each other, I'm going to add in our 3 diced bell peppers.
Nothing is written